wondered why he touched down and did a touch and go, as they say in the aviation world. Well, that's what he did though. He landed, he took off again.
Maybe he knew we didn't have a video and he was being kind.
Yeah, we got a bonus there.
That could be.
Yeah.
He went and said, hey, I'll do that again.
Well, there was someone in the back seat.
Because that was cool. He actually came way over there. The first time he came right over here.
there.
Yeah.
If I
It was
looked
right
up,
over our head.
and I didn't even hear him. There was no warning that other time. We could actually hear him over the trees.
Okay, I'm going to buy myself a